Culture reused go speaking our language. Welcome to programme Ahun Giag, programme 11. This week we're going to be looking at ways of saying where you're going. And today I'm off to Aberdeen.
Hello, Rhoda. Can't you be sure with all and you?
Up a rain.
Maar sin leave with that.
Maar sin leave. Catch a Velshiv Adolf. Where are you going? Catch a Velshiv Adolf. Himirirshiv.
Catch a Velshiv Adolf. Catch a Velshiv Adolf.
Catch a Velo Adolf.
How many carry screw up?
Gavif Malishgav.
Catch a Velshiv Adolf.
Stornavag.
Leave on my
Catch a vel shiv a doll. Where are you going? Catch a vel shiv a doll?
Catch a Velshiv Adolf. Where are you going? And the woman in that last situation said Stornavag, Stornaway, Stornavag. Listen again and look out for other destinations. That's me.
Catch a Velshiv Adolf.
Stornavag.
Leave on my Catch a Velshiv Adolf.
Operating.
Operating show.
Hallo, neer. Kom met de haasje. Pak u maar. Catch a Velshiv Adolf. In your niche, Igus. Catch a Velshiv Failure Adolf. Woman.
Passengers from London.
Wijn family verlaat. Waar zijn lieve daar? Zijn lief, maar.
Inir niche, Inverness, Inir niche. And the other place mentioned, Luning, London, Luning. Listen again. Kimi Alan Operaenship.
Catch a Velshiv Adolf.
Operating.
Operating show.
Hallo, neer. Kom met de haasje. Pak u maar. Catch a Velshiv Adolf. In your niche, Igus. Catch a Velshiv Failure Adolf. Woman.
Passengers from London.
Wijn family verlaat. Waar zijn lieve daar? Zijn lief, maar.
It's time for us now to catch up with the MacLeods in Eckenthaich. Meanwhile, I'm going to make my way into Aberdeen. Look out for the phrases Jan Valle, to town, Jan Valle, and Jesaherne, Saturday, Jesaherne.
Catch a Velshiv Adolf.
Jan Valle, ma ser tole?
Catch my
Taplev.
Ja? Catch je wel u dof?
Hè?
Catch je wel u dof?
Just saying, yeah.
Je sarne.
Just saying, yeah.
Ian. Je sarne. Je sarne. Oh, just sarnia.
Wat die Anna? Gaat je wel uit dol?
Gan vale. Hamitov, gan vale.
Hè?
Jerry!
Che Saharnia, Saturday. Che Saharnia. Gan Valle, into town or to town. Gan Valle.
Aberdeen is, of course, a university town, and many students come here to study Gaelic. Catch a vil u a dol, using the less formal u instead of shiv. Where are you going? Catch a vil u a dol. And the answer given, ha mi a dol gan valle. I'm going to town. Ha mi a dol, I'm going. I'm going to town. Ha mi a dol gan valle. Listen again.
Wat die Anna? Gaat je wel uit dol?
Gan vale. Hamitov, gan vale.
Hè?
Jerry!
In these next scenes, you'll hear a number of people explaining where they're going using the phrase ha mi a dol. First of all, though, here are a number of places most people go to at some time or another.
Skoll. Gan skoll. Boo. Gan voo. Offish. Gan offish. Station. Gan station.
Det är fint, Banja. Och... Har vi tagit en bu?
Det?
Har vi tagit en bu?
Fisker ma hanel.
Fisker ma.
Hei furen du.
Ah. Kat je wilt je vertellen du?
Och, hamitov gan vale.
Hallo, Katrine. Kim er det här?
Tack, Liva. Kom maar hou hier.
Tack, ma.
Sjå Madi, Alistair.
Hallo, Vadi.
Alistair?
Kat je wilt je vertellen? Wilt je Gary koffie?
Han är en raste. Han är inte en banke. Han betydigt.
Cash me här, maar sunt leven de raste.
Sjå löv.
Catch a vilshiv a dol and Jew. Where are you going today? And Jew today. Did you notice how Banka, Boo and Bala all changed after Jan? So for instance you had Jan Vanka to the bank, Jan Vu to the shop, agus Jan Vala to town or to the town. But there were no changes to Skoll, station or office?
Och. Ha mi dog an bú.
De?
Ha mi dog an bú.
Catch you for dol and you.
Och ha mi dog an vala.
Catch you for dol. If you Gaelic coffee.
Han er en raste. Ha mi dog an banke. Ha mi dulich.
Maak ding wel aan.
Din wel.
Kaatje wil u dol een duw graai.
Jan skål.
Ah, gan skald. Gleva.
Ha mi dulich. Fi mi sin falla.
Cheery en draasten.
Cheery.
Hallo Anna. Catch you for dol.
Ha mi dog an station.
Gan station. Hick a stiach.
Tachlaf.
Ah, just sarna. Camera hound you.
Reva.
Catch you will dull and you ma how.
Gan office.
Ja, nog vis. Just sarna.
Ha mi dog an office. Agus fi mi falla.
Cheery.
Jan office Gisarna, to the office on Saturday. Gisarna means Saturday but can mean on Saturday as well. Here it comes again.
Catch you will dull and you ma how.
Gan office.
Ja, nog vis. Just sarna.
Ha mi dog an office. Agus fi mi falla.
Cheery.
Kaatje wil u dol een duw graai.
Jan skål.
Ah, gan skald. Gleva.
Hallo Anna. Catch you for dol.
Ha mi dog an station.
Gan station. Hick a stiach.
Tachlaf.
Kelly aan een olhei opereren ek 8 uren en nog. Kelly aan een olhei opereren a Kelly in Aberdeen University ek 8 uren at 8 o'clock en nog tonight. En nog tonight. If you're planning a night out, you can say ha mi a dol a mach. I'm going out. Ha mi a dol a mach a nog. I'm going out tonight.
Ja, veel meer een helft dan ook.
Och, mi dol mag.
Cherry ma.
Hallo, ik ben Haasje.
Ha ma tapelaf.
Die Haasje met Geori.
Ha mi Geori blauze. Ha mi dolle machen nog.
Bria. Catch you will dull.
Ha mi dog got duise en nog.
Kleva.
Kaartje wil dolle nog.
Dull mag.
Kaartje.
Dull hier Anna.
Ha mi a dol a mach. I'm going out. Ha mi a dol a mach. Ha mi a dol good dance. I'm going to a dance. Ha mi a dol good dance.
Kaylee. The word can also mean just a visit. In that last scene, a chéili ir was used. A chéili ir. If you want to say you're going to visit someone, you can say ha mi a dol a chéili ir, followed by the name. Listen again.
Kaartje wil dolle nog.
Dull mag.
Kaartje.
Dull hier Anna.
Och, mi dol mag.
Cherry ma.
Die Haasje met Geori.
Ha mi Geori blauze. Ha mi dolle machen nog.
Another way of saying what you're doing is ha mi a dol a gopper. I'm going to work. A gopper, to work. Ha mi a dol a gopper.
Hallo Vorak. Hallo Geori koffie jelle.
Tapelat, a ga mi dol gopet. Chi mi riestje.
Chi.
Hallo. Kaartje wil dol.
Ha mi dol gope.
Cheery.
Cheery.
Kaatje wil u dol.
Ha mi dol gope.
Kaatje.
Ha mi dol gope. Ha mi dol gan skål.
Agus kaatje wil u dol marach.
Ha mi dod y cheli a ddan? Wel, mae'r sin lif.
Wel, mae'r sin lat y grai.
Catch a veil u a dol a maroch. Where are you going tomorrow? A maroch. Tomorrow. Catch a veil u a dol a maroch.
Agus catch fel yw dol y marach.
Ha mi dod y cheli a ddan?
Helo, Avorak. Helo, Giori Coffi Yela. Tapelat, a cha mi dol gwbl. Chi mi rhysgu? Chi. Helo, catch fel yw dol. Ha mi dol y gwbl. Jerry.
Jerry.
This is one of the many weird and wonderful things you can see at the Satrosphere in Aberdeen. Meanwhile, let's see what Charlotte v. Claude are doing. Look out for the phrase, ha mi a dol yachi. I'm going home. Ha mi a dol yachi.
Marianne, catch fel yw dol.
Ha mi dod gachi?
Och, Marianne.
Oh, hallo, Ellie. Hallo, Natalie. Catch fel syf y dol?
Has yn dol yn fale.
Ha sy'n y dol gachi?
Jerry.
Jerry!
Gachi. Home. Gachi. Ha, Sheen, a dol gachi. We are going home. Ha Sheen, a dol gachi.
Ha mi a dol, I'm going. Ha Sheen a dol, we're going. Listen again.
Oh, hallo, Ellie. Hallo, Natalie. Catch fel syf y dol?
Has yn dol yn fale.
Ha sy'n y dol gachi?
Jerry.
Jerry!
Catch mi syf y dol.
Has yn dol gachu. A mae dol y gwybod yma edo.
Sla'n lif ma ha.
Tiori.
Ha Sheen a dol yachi. We're going home. Listen to that last situation again.
Hallo, catch mi Catch of a dog.
Has na dul gachi. Am dul go up the man.
Slán leave, maha.
Cheery.
Listen to these people saying where they're going. Then it'll be your turn.
Catch of a dog knock.
Am I dal mach?
Uh-huh. Ke have you then? Catch a velu.
Catch a fellow with dog.
Am I a dog gachi?
Catch a fellow with dog.
I'm a dollar up with.
Your turn now. You supply the phrases for where the speakers are going.
Catch of a dog knock.
Am I dal mach?
Uh-huh.
Catch a fellow with dog.
Am I a dog gachi?
Catch a fellow with dog.
I'm a dollar up with.
Well, it's time for me to go home. Ha mi a dol yachi. In our next programme, we'll be looking at ways of saying where you've been. Today, va mi awn yn Operain. I was in Aberdeen. Cheery and Rasta. Bye for now.
In this programme, we introduced you to Catch a Vilshiv a Dol. Catch a Vilshiv a Dol. Ha mi a dol gan valle. Ha mi a dol gan valle. A mach. A mach. A gober. A gober. Ha sin a dol gachi. Ha sin a dol gachi. A noch. A noch. A marach. A marach. Je saharnia. Je saharnia.